Everyone, this is Sam at the Heart. I am sorry about the lighting, but it is getting dark very early. So I gotta do some of this stuff. So this is a Black Friday haul. I've got a Concord and Ninth, and then this really not isn't a haul, but this part is my Pink and Main subscription box for the month of December. So I want to get into that just because I want to be able to get this box out here. So it's a Courtyard box. It's subscription. You can skip if you'd like. It's every month, and they have just, sometimes it's more stamps and dies, sometimes it's more dies. But this is a, I think it's like a flip, it's a horizontal step card die. So we got this really big die. I'm excited about using it. And then also in this month's kit, we always get paper, which I really do. Actually, I'm going to keep this tissue paper because it's pretty Christmassy. I'm just kind of getting it with my Black Friday, just simply because it came with all the Black Friday stuff. So you get it in this really cool pouch, and this is the paper. So we get usually some specialty, which I like the specialty. And then we get a variety of colors, and usually there's at least white's usually in here, but I don't see white this time. It's kind of weird. But yeah, we get specialty card stock. And then in the pouch, we have the rest of the kit. This time we got an embossing folder. We got these bright side patterned papers. These are rub-ons. And we also got some sequins and some enamel dots, and then we've got a little stamp set. So this one is kind of cool. This one I might not keep in the pouch because I think I'm going to try to use these rub-ons maybe in my planner. Thinking maybe it's a possibility. I'll put that on there. Okay, so the big one that I really wanted to come on and share with you guys is Concord and Ninth. So Concord and Ninth, if you spent $150, you got a grab bag. And also if you use Jennifer's code, which I did not use, so I did not get it because I'm a dummy, then you also got another paper pad pack, which I did not do. So I forgot a couple of things I bought. I actually ended up forgetting. But I did buy some assorted cardstocks because I do enjoy an assortment of cardstocks. A lot of times, unless it's a favorite, than just buying whole packs now. I just think that's the way to go for me if I can get away with it. So I got the Cozy Christmas, and these are the colors. And then I also got the Fable color palette because I think they don't have to just be for Christmas. They're great colors. So I got that. And then I got, let's see here, a couple different sorts of things. I got the cherry, some of the cherry stuff. I really liked this embossing folder. I haven't really seen an embossing folder like this one, so that's pretty fun. And then the Cherry Nice stamp set, because I do have some cherry stuff already. But I did get the cherry die, which I think is very nice, and it goes with the stamp set. So like this large one cuts out the your Cherry Nice. So I did not get the what do you call it, the one where you stamp all around. I didn't get the whole shebang because, like I said, I do have a lot of, you know, cherry stuff already. And then I also got this Alpine Village dies and the Accordion Tree Farm dies because I'm thinking of different ways I can use both of these. And so I think these don't necessarily have to be Christmas. They can also be winter. But I have some things that I could use this for, and I'm going to be working on that, hopefully, when I've got some time, because, you know, I've got so much time. The berries and jam dies, and I also got the stamps. I really like that. And then I also got, this is Accordion Tree Farm stamp. I just like the size of it and the font. And then this one is Alpine Village one. Same thing. I like the size and I like the font. It also comes with some of these other little stamps that you could use for different things that I liked. And then I got the cloche die, which I've seen people do some really, really cute things with the cloche. Even though I have things that are similar to it, I ended up, you know, getting it. And I think I ended up getting a lot of these as bundles because they were 30% off if you did a bundle. So I think I did do it as a bundle. That's why I've got all the different pieces. But here is the stamp set. And then I did get a couple of cool kind of embossing folders. So this one is coordinates with our house, the Our House dies. I think those are kind of fun, and I'll see how I can use it, but I like how it can make this embossing front of a house. And this one is the Along the Path embossing folder, and you can use it with the Along the Path dies and stamp set, but you could just kind of do this on anything that you're going to be having, like a scene where you're going to have ground, and then you could just do that, and you could do other things. You don't need a stamp set necessarily. You could use other things for that, but I liked it. I thought it was kind of interesting. And then in the grab bag, which I thought was pretty cool, I'm pretty happy about the grab bag, is we did get paper. So we got a whole pack of sorbet and a whole pack of Oceanside. I have no idea these are colors are going to be getting rid of or something, but we got a whole pack of that, which I thought was pretty cool. And then in the grab bag, I mean, I have no idea what is in here, so we're going to open it up together, but I kind of peeked at it, and I think it's a pretty good value. I'm pretty happy with it. So we did get this really large-ish die. I don't think it makes something large-ish, but it's kind of large looking. And anyway, it makes a tasty treat box. So you can have it be more like a popcorn box. You have one with like a lid. I think it's pretty cool. And then this is a Bold Bloom die, which I think is pretty cool. So this goes with the Tasty Treat box. So it's the stamp set, so you can do the lines for the popcorn box. So I think it's pretty cool that we get the whole shebang. This is the Bold Blooms. So I don't know if there's something that goes with it or not, but I think it just does flowers, and there must be something like a stamp set that maybe goes with it, because you've got these sort of flag dies, but obviously you can make a flower with it without any dies. But we got this Holiday Sprigs embossing folder, which, I mean, I'm kind of excited about that. It's pretty cool. And we got, oh yeah, here we go. We did get the stamp set that goes with it. So I think it just makes the flowers, and then the little flags can cut out the sentiments. So it's just some sentiments. And then we got some enamel dots that sort of match what the papers are. So I'm pretty happy with it. I would say that normally grab bags suck, but this one was really good. I want to say suck, but usually I'm not. I'm like, I already have some of this. I don't want any of it. But actually, I'm very happy with everything that I got in this grab bag. So I have no complaints about it, and that's rare for me. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Sandy with Penny at the Heart.